Hello, my name is Leo Sedlock, and today we will be finding the quadratic formula. We are given the equation ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. The first step is to subtract c from both sides. The new equation will be ax squared plus bx equals negative c.
Bing.
Now, divide by a. Divide both sides of the equation by a. The new equation will be x squared plus b over ax equals negative c over a.
Bing.
Find a new c. You can find a new c by using the equation b over 2a squared.
Bing.
Now, add the new c into the formula. The new equation will look like x squared plus b over ax plus b over 2a squared equals negative c divided by a plus b over 2a squared.
Bing.
Rewrite both sides. The left side can be rewritten as x plus b over 2a squared. The right side can be rewritten as negative c over a plus b squared over 4a squared.
Bing.
Make a common denominator for the right side. This looks like negative c over a equals blank divided by 4a squared. The right side will now look like 4ac over 4a squared plus b squared over 4a squared.
Bing.
Add the fractions on the right side. By adding the fractions on the right side, the equation will now look like x plus b over 2a squared equals b squared minus 4ac over 4a squared.
Bing.
Get rid of the square on the left side. We can do this by finding the square root of both sides of the equation. The new formula will look like x plus b over 2a equals plus minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 4a squared.
Bing.
Determine x. We do this by subtracting b over 2a from both sides of the equation.
Bing.
Now, simplify. Plus minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 4a squared can be simplified into plus minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over the square root of 4a squared. This, in turn, can be simplified into plus minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a.
Bing.
Replace the old radical with the simplified radical. The new equation looks like x equals negative b over 2a plus minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a.
Bing.
Combine the right side. By combining the right side, the equation now looks like x equals negative b plus minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a.
Bing.
In conclusion, the equation a squared plus bx plus c equals 0 can also be written as x equals negative b plus minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. This has been Leo Sedlock, and thank you for watching Finding the Quadratic Formula.